Hey guys and girls, welcome to a beginner tutorial, task 1, starting your first machine. In the top right hand corner here you see a start attack box, clicking on it, and the green start machine. I'm clicking on that. You can see I get a split screen loading with the VM starting up. Gonna click here, hit enter. Scrolling down, read through the article. Questions. Follow the steps in the task. What is the flag text shown on the website? So we're given an IP for our virtual machine that's loaded up. Copy the IP address of the machine that you just started and go over to Firefox and open it in the browser. Click in Firefox to open my browser. I'm going to the top. I'm typing in 10.10.170.216. Hit enter. You can access TryHackMe machines. There's your flag. Copy and paste your flag. Don't forget to terminate both your machines here at the bottom, as well as the red terminate. Thanks for watching.